We're starting off by toasting 2 slices of my sprouted spelt flour sourdough bread that's homemade. And while that is toasting, we're going to go ahead and prep our avocado. The avocado was ripe. When you open the avocado, if you see a couple of brown spots, it's just oxidation. It's not mold, so it's not bad. So open it up and I remove the pit and put that in my compost pile. From an avocado farmer, I learned that once you have the avocados, you then quarter them, and then peeling off the skin is just super easy, and you can just apply it straight to the slice of bread or to your salad as you wish. With the fork, now we mash in the avocado onto the toast and spread it evenly. Now we start to add in the host of seasonings. Again, put whatever seasonings you know you like and whatever combinations you know you like. I added some red pepper flake, some nutritional yeast, some smoked paprika, some salt, of course. I added in, instead of adding lime juice, I added in this dried lime, garlic, and cilantro mix that I found in the grocery store. It really brightens up the flavor. Once you've added all your seasoning, you want to mix it in so that when you pick up your toast, the seasoning don't kind of like fall off. So you just mix it in with the fork so that everything kind of sticks together. And once you've done that, I applied my chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and then I will add in a little bit of cilantro for garnish, and then to top it all off and tie it all in together, I like to finish it with a little drizzle of balsamic glaze. It really just takes it to the next level, guys. It is so delicious. Please give it a shot. If you don't think you like avocados, if you season it well, you will, because avocados by themselves don't actually have flavor. So give it a shot. Love to hear what you think.